Hey everyone, welcome to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. My name is Kid Ace, or you can call me Mary, and today I want to show you my roller skate setup. Like many of you, I am deeply in love with my roller skates, and I think that's because they take me to places I never thought I'd go, and they help me do things that I never thought I'd be doing, both in my life and on 8 wheels. So for me, it's really important to have a skate setup that supports my style of skating as well as the places that I like to skate. If I had to describe my style of skating, I would describe it as both aggressive and lighthearted. I would describe my style of skating as aggressive because I learned how to roller skate by playing roller derby. So instinctually for me, I put a lot of power behind my roller skating. Additionally, I describe my style as lighthearted because for me, and I think for all of us who roller skate, this is our happy place. So I want to cultivate that joy when I'm skating by just having fun, trying new things, and also working to amuse my friends when I'm skating. With that style in mind, I think I require a more durable and supportive roller skate setup. And then additionally, the places that I like to skate, which is literally anywhere, I'll skate street or vert or bowls, or there's not a mini ramp I haven't met that I don't love. So I also need a versatile setup. And I think that the setup that I've got right now is one of my favorite setups. And so I'm gonna walk you through it. All right, so these are my skates. They're very red. So for me, it's really important to have a supportive, versatile, and durable roller skate. And all the parts on this skate setup support those criteria. So I'll start at the top and we'll work our way down as far as what my setup is. We'll start with the boot, which is my favorite part of the skate. This is the Moxi Roller Skates Jack boot in Poppy. And this jack boot is a stiffer, more supportive version of the Moxi Lolly boot. It's really important for me to have this supportive boot because I really love to do high flying tricks like backflips and flyouts. I also, when I'm skating street, like to clear stair sets and jump ledges. So it's really helpful to have a boot that is supportive enough to take the impact and keep my foot in place and support my ankles in those kinds of landings. As we work our way down, you'll see I have the Reactor Pro plate, and I ride the Reactor Pro plate as well as the trucks that come with this plate. This plate is definitely durable. I would say that I put my skates through a lot. I skate a lot, I skate hard, I land hard, and I've never had a problem with these Reactor Pro plates. What I do want to say about plates is that size does matter. The setup I had before these had a shorter plate. Since I've had this setup with a longer plate, I've noticed that I am more secure as well as faster. So if those two things are important to you, then I'd definitely be mindful about the plate size that you get with your skate. So as we work our way down, we make our way to the slider, and I ride the CIB slider, which is awesome. You can do everything with it. You can stall, you can slide, you can grind, you can decorate it, which I haven't done, but you can do. Yeah. So then the next part is the toe stops. Right now I have gumball toe stops in my roller skates. So for me, the deal with toe stops is that the diameter, anything bigger than this is not my preference. This diameter is about as big as I would go. I love these gumball toe stops. I've also ridden the brake pedal toe stops. Those are a good size. I pretty much mow through toe stops, especially on my right side. So they're really important, but I try not to get too attached to my toe stops because they're pretty fleeting in my skating. So And then finally, my wheels. I skate these Roller Bones Bowl Bomber wheels. These are 101s, and I love these wheels. I skate hard wheels so that I can skate really fast. It's important to have a lot of speed when you're skating vert, or if you're skating to do a flyout trick, or if you're skating to clear a big gap or a big stair set. Speed is definitely your friend. So these wheels allow me to go really fast in the skate park, on ramps, on the street. It depends on the quality of the street. If it's a really janky street, I would probably switch my wheels and ride the Fun Day wheels. Those are a little bit softer. They're a hybrid wheel, so they're still relatively fast, but for rockier street sections, having a softer wheel is really helpful. So that is a little tour of my roller skate setup. Supportive, durable, and versatile. All right, if you have any questions about how I ride, what I ride, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will see you next time.